love that smell. Go smell that. You weren't filming me, were you?
Nope. I would tell you. Look at the steam coming off that. It's amazing. It's composting already. It's already generating heat inside. And these are fresh wood chips. They were just ground up this week. At a local tree service, I saw them on the roadside. They were clearing underneath power lines. And I asked them if they would bring me wood chips, and they were close by. So I think it worked out for them and it worked out for us. But anyway, I told them to bring me as much as they want. It's just amazing. We were sitting in the living room looking out this morning and saw the steam coming off this pile. You know, that tells us it's already working. Compost action's happening. It's generating heat already. A lot of moisture in the wood chips, of course, so we're seeing the steam come off of it. Anyway, we're really excited about having this free carbon delivered to our property, and we think this is going to help build our soil. I hope they deliver another 20 loads. Beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. About 31 degrees, blue skies. We got a big list of things to do today. Wife and I are just walking out on the pasture and talking about what we need to do in the future, how we're going to run permanent water lines, divide this front pasture up so we can set our paddocks up easier. We've been fighting with a garden hose and getting our paddocks designed and fighting with freezing water. This old road here, you can see where we've rolled out hay, and we're hopeful that we're going to get this to grow in with seed. Part of our erosion control. Done a couple videos already. We're going to keep going along this hillside. Kind of see what the cows have done here. I mean, they're just hammering this hay. Starting to get to composting, decomposing of this hay, the ground. Look at all the cow pies. It's amazing what these cows are doing for us. We've been rolling out hay on this new paddock. This paddock was pretty much nothing but dirt and weeds. My granddaughter and I sowed some seeds out on this pasture. We did about half of it. Been rolling out the hay, and they're just in here nailing this hay and spreading it out for us. I'll get in here with the pitchfork. We're expecting some rain next week, so I want to get this all covered with hay pretty much. Look at them. They're doing such a good job for us. Just really happy with our herd. Just great temperament of animals. We've been feeding them a lot of protein along with this hay. And we've got our mineral feeder over here as well. Morning, Cheeto. Need some more protein? Morning, Vivian. Good morning. Good morning. You gonna lick my camera? Lonnie and Basante, they're our newest additions to the herd. Of course, Lonnie's our bull. Got the curly hair. Just look how nice he is. He's just such a good bull. And we think Basante is going to be due. She's getting big. We're thinking May or June with her. So she is going to have our second baby here. Cheeto had our first baby. So we're looking forward to having a British White being born on our property. I'm going to show you our mineral feeder. We put some skis, bolted some skis onto this mineral feeder, and we put a little hook on there. Excuse me, Cherry, excuse me. So we put, you helping? Good morning, Bee Bonnie. So we put a little eyelet hook right there, and we've got a tow strap, and we just hook to this mineral feeder on skis and hook that to our golf cart, and we just zip around the property with it. Super easy. Doesn't disrupt the minerals. We just keep it in there. I mean, it's just made moving this so easy when we're going paddock to paddock. I even just push it by hand if it's a short distance. Kind of get an idea what the cows are doing for us. See all their hoof marks in here? They're just breaking this down, and I'm going to throw seed on top of it and roll hay. I don't think these cows even know how much they're doing for us. They're just eating and doing their thing, but we're putting them to work. They don't even know it. Here's our water system for now. They prefer drinking out of the shallow tub. They always drain that one off first. Then we got the big one here. Got a little ice on it this morning. Not too bad. Anyway, see our yellow hose runs all the way up the hill there. We haven't started putting them out on this pond. We're trying to keep our cattle out of the pond. I know that's a water source, but that creates a new set of problems that we're not ready to deal with. How do we set up our paddocks and let them have access to that water without tearing down the banks or getting in the water? And we don't want their feces and urine in the water. We don't want them standing around in the water either. But anyway, it's a beautiful morning here. It's Saturday morning, my favorite day. Time to get things done. Thanks for watching.